Moto lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's gonna help you out. He's gonna turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about?
Alright guys, welcome! We are going to the Overland South Expo today, here in Charleston, South Carolina. Well, it's kind of in between Charleston and Somerville. And they're wanting to bring more bikes to the event. Therefore, I got with the event organizer, Jeffrey, and that's what we're doing. We're bringing more bikes to the event. Should be a lot of cool overlanding vehicles today. I would expect lots and lots of Jeeps. You know, the Jeepers. And it is October, the Jeepers Creepers. You know what I mean? Yeah. Word. Business, right? He's going. See him, bro. All right, we're here at the obstacle course. Now this is what the Palmetto ADV rally definitely needs, for sure. Here we go, Ben. Oh, I was gonna get you on camera. I was gonna get you on camera.
It doesn't want to idle right now.
Huh?
The bike doesn't want to idle. It's not right now.
Alright, so next time you ask me which bike to bring, you need to make the best choice, the one that's running correctly.
I always bring the 50.
Why?
I don't know, but it's different.
Alright, ADV hooligans, we got a little bit of a BMW bike problem, fuel pump issue. Apparently this is a problem with BMW bikes. So my boy Ben is feeling the effects of that right now. So that being said, we're getting ready to do a little off-road recovery. Got a couple guys here from the Bluffton area. They've got their Jeep truck, and we're getting ready to do a little bit of a tow out of here. So if you guys ever want to get towed by a car, you'll see exactly how to do it here. Molasses Myberg. Because he moves as slow as molasses. Alright, so that's the key right there. If it goes too much too fast, you just let your foot up and you don't get drugged down the road. Recovery 101, boys and girls. Here we go. This is ADV Gourmet. Excuse me, guys. Alright, so here's the camping. I'm gonna have to come back around here and check these out. There's the Humvee that we saw earlier from the drone footage.